Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to make PowerPoint lines straight. Start by opening your PowerPoint slide. There, from the Insert menu, click on Shapes and you will choose the line. Press your Shift key and drag the line to the desired position. With the arrow selected from the Shape Format menu, click on Shape Outline and there you can choose the color you want your line to have. Again, open Shape Outline and now from Weight you are going to choose the width of the line in PowerPoint. If you need to move the line, you can click on the corner and move it to the desired position. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.